We are now turning our attention to Nepal, where the ruling parties have filed an impeachment motion against the Chief Justice, Cholendra Shumsher Rana, at the Parliament Secretariat. A total of 98 lawmakers filed a 21-point impeachment motion against the Chief Justice, alleging that he is incapable of upholding democracy and the rule of law. The lawmakers from the ruling coalition were led by the Law Minister, Dilendra Prasad Badu. Now, following the registration of the impeachment motion, the Chief Justice has automatically been suspended from his position, and the senior Supreme Court Justice, Deepak Karki, has taken over the charge as the acting Chief Justice. As per Article 101(2) of the Nepal Constitution, 1/4 of the MPs can register an impeachment motion against any official holding a constitutional position on grounds of failing to perform their duties effectively, working against the Constitution, or violating the Code of Conduct. While 1/4 of the lawmakers can register the impeachment motion, it needs a 2/3 majority of the Parliament to endorse it. What this means essentially is that 181 votes are required to pass the impeachment motion in the 271-member strong Parliament. The support of the main opposition, CPN-UML, is a must in order to endorse this motion, as the parties that have filed the motion have just 133 votes in all.
In the democracy, if you see, the Prime Minister is appointed either by the President or elected by the Parliament. But in Nepal, first time in the world, the Prime Minister is appointed by the court. That is very unconstitutional, very undemocratic, and out of the context. So if there is a necessity of the impeachment, all the 5 justices of the Supreme Court who had given the verdict, they should be impeached together.
This development coming in after 3 months of continuous protests by the Nepal Bar. Since October last year, members of the judicial body have been demanding the resignation of the Chief Justice. They have accused him of seeking a political share in the cabinet, as well as encouraging corruption in the judiciary.
नेपाल बार एसोसिएसनले विगत 106 दिन अगाडिदेखि आन्दोलन गर्दै आएका थियौं र उहाँले भन्नुभयो म संविधान बमोजिम नियुक्ति भएको हुनाले संविधान अनुसार मात्रै बहिर्गमन हुन्छु भन्नुभएको आधारमा हामीले संघीय संसद प्रदेश सभामा प्रतिनिधित्व गर्ने दलहरूका प्रमुखहरूलाई सरकारलाई पनि यो उहाँ बहिर्गमन हुनुपर्ने आधार पत्र खुलाएरै दिएका थियौं। उहाँहरूले आज महाभियोग प्रस्ताव दर्ता गर्नुभएको छ। 98 जना माननीय ज्यूहरूले दर्ता गर्नुभएको छ। यो हाम्रो आन्दोलन जबसम्म उहाँको महाभियोगको प्रस्ताव पास हुँदैन, जबसम्म न्यायपालिकाको सुधारका कदमहरू सुरुवात गर्दैनन्, तबसम्म नेपाल बार एसोसिएसनले आन्दोलन जारी राख्दछ।
Ever since the protests began, the Chief Justice has maintained that he will not resign and would rather face impeachment by the Parliament, and an impeachment is the constitutional process to remove the Chief Justice. Our correspondent in Nepal, Saloni Murarka, has sent us this report from Kathmandu. Take a look.
In the impeachment motion filed against the Chief Justice Cholendra Shumsher Rana, 98 MPs from the ruling parties have accused him of interfering in the executive decision-making. Nepal Supreme Court has not been functioning since the past 3 months smoothly, as Nepal Bar Association has been protesting, demanding Chief Justice resignation, accusing him of seeking a political share in the cabinet and also encouraging corruption in the judiciary. Rana is the second Chief Justice who has faced an impeachment motion in Nepal's judiciary history. Saloni Murarka for WION World is One in Kathmandu, Nepal.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.